Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio description. To begin the repair of the Lenovo Yoga 7 motherboard, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, tweezers, and an anti-static wrist strap. These tools are essential for safely disassembling the device without causing damage. Start by powering off the laptop and disconnecting it from any power source. Next, remove the back cover by unscrewing the screws located at the bottom. Be sure to keep track of the screws as they can vary in size. Use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back cover, taking care not to damage any clips. Once the back cover is removed, you will see the internal components. Before proceeding, it's crucial to ground yourself to prevent static damage. Attach your anti-static wrist strap to your wrist and connect the other end to a grounded surface. Now locate the motherboard. You may need to disconnect the battery first. Carefully unplug the battery connector using your tweezers. This step is vital to ensure safety while working on the motherboard. Next, identify any visible damage on the motherboard, such as burnt components or loose connections. If you find any issues, you may need to replace specific parts. For those who are unsure about diagnosing the problem, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, which can save you time and effort. After inspecting the motherboard, it's time to clean the area. Use isopropyl alcohol and a soft brush to remove any dust or debris. This cleaning process is essential for ensuring good contact when reassembling the components. If you need to replace any components, make sure to have the correct parts ready. You can find these online or at local electronics stores. If you prefer not to handle the repair yourself, we provide pickup and delivery at your home, making the process hassle-free. Once you have addressed any issues, it's time to reassemble the laptop. Start by reconnecting the battery and ensuring all connections are secure. Then, carefully place the back cover back on, aligning it with the clips. Use your Phillips screwdriver to reinsert the screws, ensuring they are tightened properly, but not over-tightened, as this can cause damage. Before powering on the device, double-check that all components are correctly connected and that there are no leftover screws. If everything looks good, power on the laptop to test the repair. If you encounter any issues, remember that we offer a quote before repair, so you can make an informed decision without any surprises. In conclusion, repairing the motherboard of a Lenovo Yoga 7 can be a straightforward process if you follow these steps carefully. With the right tools and a bit of patience, you can restore your device to working condition. If you find the process overwhelming, don't hesitate to reach out for professional help. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio description.